Hey, look, it's Sid. Not the one from the Ice Age films. Just carry on watching.
Well, it's 6 o'clock in the morning here. Well, going up to 6. It's 5:53. Yeah, woke up with acid in my chest, but kinda hurts. It's like really bad heartburn, but anyway. So, I'll go shop. Oh, gosh. Oh, sorry, guys. I'll go to the shop at some point today because I'm running out of stuff. Again, yeah, what can you do? But the most I feel all stuffed up. My chest feels all stuffed up, and like I think I woke up really badly. No, I had a diazepam last night, but that doesn't normally cause acid on the chest. But oh well. So yeah, like I said, it's coming up to 6 in the morning. Just up really, and gonna go and have breakfast in a minute. Probably some soup and stuff. Seeing as everybody suggested since the article, they were like, you shouldn't just eat one thing. You should have like a soup or something. So I've got like a chicken complam, which is a soup, and I've got tomato soup as well in the cupboard. So yep. Also, the outro should be on this video. I have done one, but I am asking around for people to do an intro or an outro, so I can mix it up a bit. I don't want it to be plain old every day. The same thing day in day out. So anyway, well, I know what I'll be doing today. Something that I've been wanting to do for some time is research on robotics and the degrees of freedom. If you know what degrees of freedom is, it's backward, forward, etc., etc. But ages ago I came up with a concept that allowed a robot to have more. It had the original 6 degrees of freedom, but every section was like a ball bearing, and it was able to have each independent part. So, like fingers and that would be made up of several degrees of freedom. Now, I don't know whether the concept would actually work, but I will carry on through the day, and once I've done it, I will add in some either some links down below or some footage of what I'm actually doing. Because I need to draw it all. But yeah, no, it's I'm always interested in robotics because it's always a good concept to be in, or to even know, because most of the world is run on robotics, and we get into that day and age now that robotics is becoming the standard. It's becoming something that's always going to be there in modern society. So stay tuned, and hopefully I'll have some stuff for you. Well, guys, what lovely weather we have again in the south of England. As you can see, it's raining. It's raining, it's pouring. Yeah, we're due rain for days, and shut up. Bloody hell. Jingle jangle. Anyway, yeah, so the weather's not great here. It's really wet, and I need to go shopping and get some stuff, and doesn't look likely at the moment. Apart from, do you know what, as well, my gut is going round and round in circles. And I think it's one of my medications to do it. I think it's the cocodamol, which could be the codeine, because codeine causes wind. So it gives me gut ache. But anyway, probably some information you really didn't want to know right there. Well guys, that is the first article written for today. I've wrote an article about ad-supported operating system. I saw something on Mac Rumors saying that how Steve Jobs wanted the Mac OS X. And also, around the same time, Microsoft wanted to do the same concept to put ads in your operating system. So the link to that will be down below. And also, you've probably seen it if you've been on my Facebook or you've been on my Google+. It's worth checking out. I've given a few insights on how the concept could be flawed and how, from a software vendor's point of view, depending on the installs, it might not pay off running ad-free. So go and check that out. I'm just about to pop out to my local shop because I need to get some more food and that, and I don't know how I'm going to cope with all this rain and whatever, and I've just gone breathless again. Anyway, so check that out and let me know what you think. Link will be down below. What a glitch our local Tesco's just made. I'm just back in and basically didn't get there in time because I wasn't really paying attention until my sister told me when she went back to Tesco's that they made a mess up on the full 42-inch TVs. They were going for a penny each. No wonder there was rush for everybody to get one because they've now run out of stock. What a bugger. I could have done with a 42-inch TV, and especially at that price, I'd have taken at least 4 or 5 to myself, or even more. Bloody hell, what a mess up. What a mess up, Tesco's. What a mess up. Such a shame though, because I could have done with a TV of that size. As you know, I'm blind as a bat. Could have done with a TV of that magnitude anyway. So anyway, I've had my tablets. I'm going to get on with the robotics stuff in a minute. Going to add that on. Going to do the outro. Yep, bish bash bosh. The vlog will be done. So, we're going to talk about the 6 degrees of freedom like I was speaking about the robotics thing. Now, there will be an article down below to the 6 degrees of freedom. Basically, what this relates to is a forward, back, up, down, left, right, the yaw, pitch, and roll. And basically, I came up with the concept that a ball bearing, that if you build a robot with a ball in a load of ball bearings connected together, but using the 6 degrees of freedom, that you could probably ascertain so many degrees of freedom that even the forearm or this part of the arm could become bendable and so flexible that it's better than gymnastic. Now, I'll put that in the article. I won't publish this video until I've actually done the article, but it's actually interesting that we could make something so curvy, so like your finger could have so many ball bearings to a robot, etc. I'm only using myself as an example, but you could bend your finger not only to this point, but even further, even in the little nicks here. So it bends even more. So you could actually bend your finger and touch the back of your thumb. Now that's the way I see robotics. It's quite easy with the example that I'm going to give in the article down below. But yeah, what do you think, guys? Am I crazy enough to make that work? It's quite easy. You can ascertain it by magnetics, etc. So it would be quite interesting to see if anybody could actually make a robot made out of ball bearings and actually pull it off. So that's my insight on that 2 minutes. I don't want to drag it on for longer, else I'll be speaking for like 20 minutes and this vlog is already longer as it is. So guys, this is the 6 degrees of freedom. This is will be demonstrated on my website, a much better drawing than I've done. But it will just show you what we're trying to accomplish here. Back, forward, the yaw, the pull, and the up, down, left and right. Now, my concept is easy. As you'll see, ball bearings come in different shapes and sizes. Okay, so on a body you could have ball bearings of different sizes, but the smaller we make those ball bearings, the more freedom of access we get. So as you can see, everything here will become intertwined so it can move on a ball bearing, and it will keep going and going. The more you add, the more freedom you have got to move. It's like a skeleton, it's all floppy and everything like that. So that's my simple concept. More will be explained on my blog in the link down below. So guys, I hope you liked today's vlog, and I hope you liked my insight into robotics. But I've always liked robotics, and it's always been something that's fascinated me, especially from an engineering point of view and programming point of view. So yeah, it's been a fun, interesting day for research, because I found out some things I didn't really know, but this concept would still work in quite a good fashion, but let's hope it catches on. So as I say in my other videos, guys, thank you for watching another day in my life. Rate, comment down below, subscribe above, and thank you yet again for watching. I really appreciate it. Cheers.
Thanks for watching today's vlog, guys. Click the annotation for the next video. If it's not there, you can kill Sid because he's forgotten to put it in again. But keep checking back soon because there's a new vlog uploaded daily.